Discover some simple facts about Islam. Introduction to basic Islamic knowledge. What is Islam? Answer. Islam is a religion that teaches worship of one God, Allah, and following His guidance. Who is the last prophet in Islam? A. Prophet Isa, Jesus. B. Prophet Muhammad. C. Prophet Musa, Moses. D. Prophet Ibrahim, Abraham. Answer is B. Prophet Muhammad. What is the Holy Book of Islam? A, B, C, D. Answer is C. How many pillars of Islam are there? Answer. There are 5 pillars of Islam. What is Salah? Of fasting during Ramadan. B. Daily prayer Muslims perform 5 times a day. C. Charity given to help the poor. D. Pilgrimage to Mecca. Answer is B. Daily prayer Muslims perform 5 times a day. Thank you for learning about Islam.